Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to wrap headlights. We'll need an alcohol solution. We will anchor the film on the fender and then we'll pull it along the headlight to cover the entire surface. After that we'll remove the alcohol from under the film. It's hard to apply the film at the junction of the headlight with nearby elements, so we'll cut off the film with a margin and squeegee it to the edge. Now we'll cut off the excess film and let the headlight dry out. After that, we'll do the final trimming. Now, we'll trim the film with an indent of about 0.5 mm along the edge of the headlight. The wrapping of the headlight is complete.